What's up everybody, it's your boy Mac, and let me tell you, I'm hyped about today's video. We're talking passive income, baby, making money while you sleep, eat, or watch this video. I'm sharing the top 6 passive income ideas for 2024 that you absolutely need to know. So, buckle up, smash that like button for the algorithm, and let's dive right into it. First up, we're talking podcasts, people. Podcasts are the new radio, and they are taking the world by storm. Podcasts are blowing up right now, and for good reason. They offer a unique platform where anyone can share their voice, their stories, and their expertise with a global audience. You get to talk about something you're passionate about, share your knowledge with the world, and make money while doing it. Imagine turning your hobby into a profitable venture. Find a sponsor, and boom, you're getting paid to talk. Sponsors are always looking for engaging content to associate their brands with, and your podcast could be the perfect match. All you need is a microphone, some basic recording software, and that fire in your belly to share your thoughts with the world. You don't need a fancy studio. A quiet room at home can work wonders. Podcasts aren't just about making money, though. They're about building a community. Your listeners become part of a larger conversation, and you get to interact with them in meaningful ways. So find your niche, find your voice, and get ready to turn your passion into passive income. Whether it's true crime, tech talk, or personal development, there's an audience out there waiting for you. Next up is a no-brainer, folks. If you have items lying around that you rarely use, why not turn them into a source of income? We're talking about renting out your stuff. It's a simple and effective way to make some extra cash without much effort. That lawnmower you use twice a year? Instead of letting it gather dust, rent it out to someone who needs it. The power drill collecting dust? It could be in someone else's hands, helping them with their DIY projects while earning you money. Those are money-making machines just waiting to be unleashed. Imagine the potential earnings from items you barely use. Platforms like Zlock and Neighbor make it easier than ever to list your stuff and start earning. These apps connect you with people in your community who need what you have. You set the price, you set the availability, and boom, you're a rental mogul. It's that simple. You have full control over your items and schedule, and it's not just tools and equipment either. Think about all the other things you own that could be rented out. Got a parking space you don't use? Rent it out. Parking spaces are in high demand, especially in crowded urban areas. So take a good look around your house. I guarantee you've got stuff lying around that can be making you money right now. From old electronics to camping gear, the possibilities are endless. Start turning your unused items into a steady stream of income today. Alright guys, this next one is for all the creative entrepreneurs out there. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, this journey is for you. We're talking about developing mobile games. Remember Flappy Bird? That addictive game that took the world by storm? That simple little game made its creator millions. It was a phenomenon that showed us the power of simplicity and engagement. With some creativity and coding know-how, you can create the next big mobile gaming sensation. Imagine your game being played by millions around the globe, and once your game is out there, the passive income potential is huge. In-app purchases, ad revenue, the possibilities are endless. You could be earning while you sleep. Tons of resources are available online to help you get started. From coding tutorials to game development courses, the internet is your playground. So, dust off those coding skills, or start learning from scratch. It's never too late to dive into the world of game development. Let your imagination run wild, and who knows, your unique idea could be the next big hit. You might just create the next Candy Crush. The App Store is waiting for your masterpiece. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey today. Your car, a passive income machine on wheels. Your car spends most of its time just sitting there, depreciating in value. But what if I told you there's a way to turn that idle time into cash? We're talking car sharing. Platforms like Turo and Getaround make it easier than ever to rent out your car when you're not using it. Just list your car, set your availability, and watch the bookings roll in. So why let your car sit idle when it could be out there earning you passive income? Empty space, full wallet. Rent it out. Got a spare room collecting dust? A parking space you don't use? A storage unit full of old Beanie Babies? That's prime real estate just waiting to be monetized. Platforms like Airbnb, Neighbor, and Craigslist make it easier than ever to connect with people looking for short-term rentals. So, take a good look around your place. I bet you've got some untapped real estate potential just waiting to be unleashed. Share your knowledge. Earn big online courses. You've got skills, you've got expertise, and people are willing to pay for it. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable make it easier than ever to package your knowledge into bite-sized, digestible courses that people can access from anywhere in the world. So, tap into that inner teacher, create a course that people will love, and watch the passive income roll in. Passive Income Challenge, are you in? There you have it, folks. The top 6 passive income ideas for 2024. But it's not enough just to watch this video. You gotta take action. Pick one of these ideas, just one, and commit to taking action this week. Do your research, make a plan, and start building your passive income empire. And hey, while you're at it, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future money-making tips. Until next time, keep hustling, keep grinding, and I'll see you at the top.